Hi, today I'll show you how to download songs on Spotify. First thing you want to make sure is to log in to your Spotify premium account. Tap your library in the bottom right corner of the screen. Tap the playlist or album that you want to download. In the playlist or album, tap the download button, which is the downward facing arrow, so that the toggle turns green. This will immediately download the songs in the playlist or album. You'll see a green downward facing arrow next to each song when the download is complete. That's it! Thank you for watching. I hope this video is helpful for you. Please give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, turn on the notification bell, and subscribe for more updates.